Hi guys, today we're trying this new Pollo Loco double shredded beef tostada. So we're gonna see how the flavor is and how good it is. Okay, see it right there. And I asked mine for everything on the side, like avocado on the side, and I asked for the what do you call that again? Pico de gallo on the side. And then I asked for the sour cream on the side, because sometimes they pack so much on there, that it just kills the flavor. So we're gonna give this a try, okay? And we'll see how this is. That was a picture, by the way. Okay, they also give you their sauce that comes with it. And I asked for sour cream and everything else on the side, but I guess they didn't put it on there. I guess they did put the avocado is in here. They give you a real tiny piece, but I have more at home I could add to it. And then I also got their spicy avocado sauce that they have. That's one of my favorite items that Pollo Loco has. It adds a lot of flavor. And of course I got the mild sauce. Sometimes it doesn't taste very fresh, but hopefully today's better. So, see, that's their mild sauce. They also have a spicy sauce. And I got my mom some chicken. She loves chicken thighs, so I got her a chicken thigh a la carte. She's gonna get jealous when she sees my salad if I take it home. So we're gonna add all these ingredients. I didn't get no pico de gallo, so I'm just gonna add on the mild sauce, a little bit of that. We're gonna put a little bit of the avocado sauce. And I'd rather do the videos here in my car because the lighting is so bad in my house. It's so dark. So I'd rather either I do them in my patio or I do them in the car. So I hope that the lighting is okay. There might be a little bit of glare, but I'm sure it's a lot better than doing them at home. Okay. So I noticed they also put like some shredded white cheese in there. Shredded white cheese. So let's give it a try. It looks like this is the same beef they use for the birria. And they say it's double beef. Well, I don't see very much beef on there. See? So let's give it a try. It is very good. It's a good combination. I like it better than the birria. See, here's the chunks of beef. If you like salads, definitely I would recommend this one. It looks like because it's a double one, it's pretty filling, so I think you guys will be satisfied. Oh, okay. There's also beans on the bottom and rice, so that's a little bonus on the bottom. I guess it's very similar to the chicken. Only thing, I don't tend to get the chicken very often because the last times that I got the chicken is kind of like too dry. Like, you know, they don't use the fresh chicken that they do on the grill. I think they use the chicken that maybe is pre-chopped. Maybe that's how they get it. I don't know. If anyone works at Pollo Loco, let me know where the chicken comes from that they use for the salads. Put it on the comments. Okay. I like this. I will definitely get this again because I like the combination of flavors. And it looks like it'll fill you up because it is a pretty big tostada. So I think I do recommend it. Yeah. I would say if I was to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 7. And I'm a cook, and you know, I know about cooking, and me ranking that's, you know, pretty high. So I think, you know, I would recommend it. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna start heading home and give my mom her chicken thigh and serve it with some refried beans for her and some salsa and some tortillas. Thank you for watching, and like always, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Here, let me do another photo time.